Smiling incident. Say hi, monkey. Hi, Paul. Hi, monkey. Today, it's going to be some item. I'm going to be potting up these. These are my lupins. I've only got, how many have I got? 1, 2, there's 4 there. Because unfortunately, when I sowed the seeds, I had my heat mat on without the thermostat, and I basically cooked them. And like, 20 or 40 seeds. Normally get a much better germination rate, but unfortunately, because of that problem, I've only got 4. But I'm sure they're going to be just fine. Like the ones I grew last year, which are absolutely amazing. The colours are divine. So I'm just going to be showing you how I'm going to go about potting these on. So yeah, I'm using these 9cm pots. These are fine. They'll stay in these until I then plant them out, which will only be a few more weeks now. The weather's improving really well. So these have been grown in toilet roll tubes. And you can just see there, nice root system. Just see the white roots there. Good healthy sign that. And if you've got white roots, you can see there, lovely white roots. Just this one. And just one more. Look at that one, absolutely stunning. I'll just pick some of them roots off. These lupins are what they call nitrogen fixers. They actually take it from the atmosphere and fix it and leave it in little nodules on the roots, which is a great thing if you want to fertilise your garden naturally. I'll just put, this is reused seedling compost. The trays have been emptied. This has got plenty of food in it. So all we do is stick it in the centre like this. Peat based compost is with some peat free mixed in with it, so it's not all peat based. And all we do, like so, give it a nice knockdown, like so. I've been feeding these once or twice a week now until they go out. I use Miracle Grow or Tomarite. That's the feed I like to use. Mixture of both of those. Not both at the same time, but I alternate it. Some weeks it'll be Miracle Grow, some weeks it'll be Tomarite. I think it gets much balance then, because Miracle Grow's got a lot of nitrogen in it. Tomarite's got a lot of, potash in it. So there's a big difference in what they actually do, the two feeds. Tomarite helps with the flower formation, and then you've got Miracle Grow that helps up to that stage, so green growth, leafy growth. Just get this round there like so. Hope everybody's keeping well. Been a really good year this in my greenhouse. It's been the first year that I have, I'll just show you, I've all this extra space. It's the first year I've had all this, and I'm really proud of it. Roof there, 2 windows there. I'm going to put another window just behind the tomato plant there. So yeah, since I put the windows in, the light levels have got really good. All my plants are really enjoying it. But I'll just have a spin round. Sun just setting over there. I'm going to run out of space. So next year I'm going to stick a couple of shelves in there, clear all that rubbish out. And then probably under here as well, I'm going to put a couple of shelves with some LED lights. But yeah, just carry on with these. Yeah, I've just got one more to do. This compost is already pretty damp. So what I'm going to do when I've put this last one on, empty that out. Doesn't matter if you damage some of the roots, we've got plenty of time to recover. Not the end of the world. A good tap down. You want to plant them as well, the same level as they were in the toilet roll tubes. You don't want them any deeper. You don't want to rot. And that's that done. So all we'll do then is take a couple of these and then just come around here. This is my watering tray. I just stick them in there overnight. When I come out in the morning, they will have taken up all the moisture, and there's also some feed in this as well, so yeah, just both. So yeah, that is how to put on my lupins that have grown this year. If you've got any questions about growing lupins or anything else, I've got several videos on the subject, but please message me and I'll get straight back to you. I'd like to thank everybody for watching. Say goodbye, monkey. Goodbye, Paul. Goodbye, monkey. Thank you, everybody, for watching. Hope everybody has a good, healthy good weekend this weekend, and always happy sewing, happy going. Thank you for watching, everybody. Please subscribe and like. Thank you. Bye.